Everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today, my topic of explanation is death. Yes, I have chosen the most interesting topic today, that what is death. And in this video, I will describe the three criteria to declare death, the types of death, and different types of organ transplantation. That at what time which organs can be transplanted. So let's get started. So here first, death is of two types, the molecular death or somatic death. Now the question is whether these two deaths occur at the same time or not. What do you think? No, both these types do not occur together. Instead, first somatic death takes place and then the molecular death takes place. For somatic death, here it's written completely wrong. Let me correct it for you. Here I draw a touch. This is like here. Why? How do we describe somatic death? We do not describe somatic death like that, but we describe somatic death in terms of the organ transplantation, and molecular death is not described in this way. So this is the correct way. Now you all must be thinking, what is this bishop's stride? So bishop's stride of life, or you can call it the tripod, describes the somatic death. This somatic death is also known as the clinical death. You can call it, this is also known as the clinical death. So bishop's stride means that there should be no circulation. There should be absence of any circulation in the body. Number second point is you can like here. Number one, absence of circulation. 2 and 3. Number second is absence of the respiratory pattern. Third, brain function cessation. And when we talk about the molecular death, it means the death of tissues and cells at different times. So let's review. First, somatic death takes place, which is defined as the bishop's stride: absence of circulation, absence of respiratory pattern, and brain function cessation. Now when we talk about the molecular death, which is the death of tissues of individually dying cells, there are certain organs like molecular death basically means the death of the cells and the tissues, including the organs. So there are different timings when the death takes place. First, please tell me that whether death is a process or it is an event. Death is a process. Death is a process because, let me tell you like this. First somatic death, then molecular death. If we combine both of them, we have absence of circulation, then absence of respiration, brain function cessation, and then eventually or slowly our organs will start dying. So if we need to transplant the organs, there are some specific timings for the organ transplantation. So, and there are some organs that require immediate organ transplantation. Let's have a look. Here you can see kidney, heart, lungs, pancreas, and liver. These require immediate transplant after determining the clinical death. There are other organs which have different times, like the specific timings. So let me tell you again that these 5 organs should be transplanted as soon as the circulation stops. What are these? Kidney, liver, lungs, pancreas, and liver. Now the cornea should be removed within 6 hours after the clinical death. Skin, we can remove it after 24 hours. For bones, like the bone marrow transplantation and so on, we have 48 hours. And for blood vessels, we have 3 days, that is the 72 hours. So let me repeat again. That is the cessation of all biological functions required to sustain a living organism, and it's not an event, it's